Greetings, everyone. Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I just wanted to come on quickly and talk about forgiveness. I remember when I used to think that forgiving someone meant that you still had to put up with their foolishness, right? And so you forgive them and you still continue to talk to them and deal with this person. And sometimes it just would make you feel anxious or even miserable just to talk to or be around this person. But I thought that's what forgiveness looked like. But now I realize you can forgive someone and not deal with them at all. You can go no contact, or you can at least distance yourself as much as possible, right? And you don't have to talk to them. You don't have to, especially if you know that their behavior is not going to change and they're still going to continue to do things that are wrong, right? And this can include manipulative people, people who have an abundance of narcissistic traits. They gaslight you. They just aren't kind, and they think that they can do or say whatever they want to do. And just ask for forgiveness and all will be well. But that's not how it works. The best way to ask for forgiveness is to change the behavior. And some people don't want to change their behavior. They want to continue to be the same way that they are, and they feel like you should just accept them for who they are, the way that you are. But you don't have to do that. That's not how that works, right? And one of the things that I've done to start practicing forgiveness is recite the Hoponopono prayer, right? Or mantra, right? And it's very simple. It's 4 lines. I'm sorry. And you're saying I'm sorry to the person, whether they did you wrong or you did them wrong. It doesn't matter, right? I'm sorry. So you're sorry for allowing someone to treat you the way that they've done, or even tolerating the behavior, right? And you're sorry that, this behavior has had an effect on you, right? There's more to it. You can always read more about it. I'm just giving you like a general rundown. So I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Again, even if you didn't do anything wrong. You're asking for forgiveness from that person again, because you've allowed this thing to happen or take place, especially if it's been taking place for years, especially if it's been going on since your childhood, because a lot of times it's the people who are closest to us, relatives or friends we've known for years, even co-workers, right? So please forgive me. You're asking for forgiveness for yourself, right? You want to forgive yourself for, again, allowing these things to happen and not moving on sooner, not realizing that they didn't serve a good purpose in your life or the life of those you are here to help and influence and motivate. Thank you. You want to say thank you. Thank you to that person for forgiving you. Thank you to yourself for forgiving you. Thank you to the universe, God, Allah, Jehovah, whatever it is that you devote or give devotion to, right? I love you, right? A lot of people say, oh, I don't know that person. I can't love that person. Oh, I don't love this person because they're mean, they're evil. No, let it go. Send them love. Send yourself love, right? So it's, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And I love you. And this is a Hawaiian mantra. And really, during those ancient times, there were no words for I'm sorry or forgive me, because really people didn't violate certain virtues or people lived a more righteous lifestyle. Let's just say that. And they had honor, they had respect. And so there was no such thing as like forgiveness because you didn't really have to forgive. It wasn't until, the colonists took charge and things started to change. So now these new words were introduced, but for the most part, people did the right thing. Now, if you owned a certain territory, like a lion defending his pride, people may defend their territory, or the area that they've designated for their clan or their tribe or their, familial clan. But people did right by one another. People lived harmoniously. They walked around nude. And the body wasn't objectified. It wasn't a source of guilt or shame. It wasn't until that was put in a book and, allegedly a piece of fruit was eaten, and now all of a sudden this is a source of shame, when really it was another nationality of people lusting over the people who were, just being natural. Like birds don't wear clothes, right? Animals don't wear clothes, and essentially we're a type of animal. And so again, the body wasn't a source of shame or something to be objectified. But really, that's a whole nother story, and I'm not going to get into all of that. And if that turned you off, I apologize. You can do further research, and I always tell people that anything that I say, you can do your own research and come to your own conclusions. Don't just trust what I say or believe what I say. Do your own research. So with the Hoponopono prayer, I like to sing it. And you should ideally sing it or say it. You can recite it or sing it, whichever is one, whatever works for you. And ideally it would be at least 7 to 8 times, right? So I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So what you can do is close your eyes and picture the face of the person who did wrong by you. And you can say this mantra to that person as if this person was actually sitting in front of you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Okay, I just did 3 inhales after, and it may make you feel emotional, especially depending on the person, especially depending on what they've done to you, what your relationship is with this person. So if you need to cry, don't hold it in, let it out, right? And then again, whoever you offer your devotion to, you want to ask that person to maybe release that energy, or banish it away and, get it away from you, so you're not holding on to that anymore, and you're able to release it and move on with your life and seek joy within. And, again, if you decide that you're going to still talk to this person, you just see them in a different light, right? You see them as the hurt and broken person that they are, and you understand that hurt people, right? So you don't get angry. You don't let what they're saying or doing bother you at all. That's not the easiest thing to do. So if you're not able to do that, like I said, you may need to distance yourself for a while, or completely go no contact for a while. This could be a week, this could be some months, this can be years. You would need to decide how that will work for you, especially if it's like a parent or some other relative that you maybe felt you were really close to or had a good relationship with, right? Or some friend that you've known for a really long time. But you know that they exhibit unrighteous behavior, and the things that they do just don't sit well with you. But you felt like you've had to be this person's friend in the name of friendship, because you've known this person for a long time. So if you're not able to just brush off what they do or say, and it really bothers you, you may need some time to heal and really sort through your thoughts and emotions and see what this actually means, who this person is in your life, and how they're showing up, right? So I hope that this was helpful. I love y'all. Later. Mwah.